We always call Mike Phillips our cheat code. We don't need a dominant FSA because we have Mike Phillips who gives us those kinds of numbers, gives us that presence. But does here with Colin Sakhoe coming up in the next game, does Bright need to play a crucial role for us come Saturday?
Oo, tingin ko. I think Bright has the physical strength and length to probably disrupt si Collins every time he will attack the paint and get close baskets. I think Bright should be able to ibahin ni Collins yung tira niya, not get comfortable looks as compared to sa mga looks na nakuha niya against UP on their game today. No? So yun yung ano ko doon. So I expect Bright to be used and to have significant minutes on Saturday para just to help slow Collins down. Kasi baka I'm not sure if Luis or Mason if they can contain him one on one. But we'll see.